Today's verb is to think. Let's explore it.
It means to believe, consider, or use your mind. Let's see examples. I think it's a great idea. She is thinking about her future. Think of a number between 1 and 10. Think twice before you decide. I'm thinking about pizza right now. Use think in everyday conversations. It's perfect for opinions, plans, advice, and even food cravings. Think, thought, thinking, and don't forget the irregular past form, thought. Practice this verb today and boost your English thinking skills.
Enjoyed this lesson? Subscribe for more English tips.